Innovators, again, welcome to my page. So, just check my description below for my Facebook and YouTube channel. So, nandito kami sa project namin sa Quezon City. 2-story na residential house na with architect MJ, partner ko. So, mostly gagawin namin dito is demolish muna. Then, kami papatay ng 2-story. So, for this episode, I will just discuss about demolition. Let's go. So, mostly, ang gagawin nyo pag ganito, na may project kayo na may lumang ancestral house or gusto nyo ipag-iba mo na yung pinaka-structure, then saka magpatayo ng second floor is pwede naman. Pero kailangan nyo munang i-demolish yung existing structure. Kasi mostly dito sa Pilipinas, yung 1-story na house is hindi nakaabang for the 2-story. Mostly ganun talaga nangyayari. Kumbaga, syempre mas cost effective yun. And pag gusto nyo ipa 2-story, kailangan talaga ninyo pang i-demolish lahat kasi natin magtayo ng mga bagong poste. Kasi as per the structural need, syempre for safety. So, ayun, ako suggest ko, i-demolish nyo muna yung pinaka-ancestral house nyo or yung lumang bahay nyo na 1-story bago nyo ipa 2-story kung yun ang gusto nyo gawin. Pero pag 1-story pa rin, no need nyo nang i-demolish. Then at the same time, for demolition, kailangan make sure na may necessary kayong permits, barangay permits. At the same time, is meron kayong necessary neighbor consent. Kumbaga yung neighborhood na kung saan kayo magpapatayo ng bahay or demolish muna saka kayo magpapatayo ng. So ayun, just make sure na lahat is may neighborhood consent, at the same time barangay permit or local government na permits. So ayun, hopefully renovators, nakatulong ako sa mga konting tips sa inyo. So again, bye.